Hey, welcome back to another episode of our Cooking for the Holidays. And in this very fourth episode, I am actually going to show you how I made the roasted chicken with orange and cumin seed carrots. If this is your first time joining us, I would recommend you watching our maple pecan Brussels sprout, as well as the cornbread with the cheddar cheese, as well as my sausage herb stuffing. So let's get cooking. So first of all, we wanted to have a chicken, and you want to clean out the chicken, both inside and outside. And we have 3 tablespoons of the oyster sauce, and I have 2 tablespoons of the honey. We're not going to use all the honey here in one shot. And I have 1 tablespoon of the rice vinegar. Okay, so to start, we're going to look at our marinade sauce here. To marinate the chicken, we want the oyster sauce, and I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of the honey. And we're going to save the rest of the honey for a later use. Okay, so we're going to mix well here with our oyster sauce. And now we can add in our 1 tablespoon of the rice vinegar. So you want to combine this well. And we're going to use this as our marinade. So we're going to marinate the inside of the chicken with the sauce here. Okay, you can use your hand here to rub it in. Just rub in the inside, so then the inside have completely covered with some of the sauce here. So then once you've marinate the inside, so we're going to marinate the outside. So alright, so you want to cover this with a saran wrap, and you want to marinate this for at least half an hour. Now, if you wanted to have the chicken to be marinated longer, you can definitely do that. For the marinade of most of my meat, I usually like to do it a little bit longer, so I'm going to leave it overnight. Okay, after marinating the chicken overnight, okay, with the excess marinade, I'm going to pour it out. Alright, so using the same bowl, I'm going to oil the chicken here first. Okay, I want to cover the chicken with some olive oil here. Okay, and then you want to season it with salt. Okay, flip it to the other side. We're gonna season with salt here on this side as well. Okay, I have purchased a chicken stand, and I'm gonna use this here to roast my chicken. And we're gonna put the chicken right here like this. This is how the chicken will sit. Okay, there's the butt right here. Okay, and the legs facing in the front. Alright, we're gonna roast this chicken, and there's the neck here. And we're gonna roast the chicken here in the oven right now. Okay, so we're gonna put the chicken in 350 degrees, and we'll come back in an hour and take a look at it. Okay, so in the pan, we're gonna add in some olive oil here, and we're gonna saute down the shallot here first. With my chopped carrots, I'm gonna add this in. Okay, so I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of the cumin seed here. Okay, of course we're gonna season it with some salt. And some black pepper. Give it a good stir. Okay, so we're gonna add in 12 ounces of water here. Okay, we're gonna simmer for this for 30 minutes. Okay, so while we are making the carrots at the same time while we're roasting the chicken, we want to squeeze 2 small orange here. So I squeezed 2 small orange, and I want to pour this orange juice into 1/4 cup of water here. Okay, so I'm gonna incorporate the rest of the honey in. Okay, we also wanted to add in some ginger here into our mixture here. Okay, we're also gonna add in 3 tablespoons of our rice wine here. Okay, so give this a good mix. Okay. So we're gonna pour 2/3 of the mixture into the chicken right now, because we don't want the chicken to dry. Okay, so we want to pour some liquid in. So you can see the chicken here, and I'm gonna first layer some onions on the bottom here. And we had cut the onions into rings. So now I'm just gonna peel it here, break down the rings a little bit along the way. So we're just gonna put some onions here around the chicken, and then we're gonna pour the juice in. Now remember, we're gonna pour 2/3 of a cup, 2/3 of the mixture in. So I'm just gonna layer the chicken with the onions here first. And now we're gonna pour the juice in. Alright, so I'm gonna pour some on the outside, pour some in the back. Alright, so now we're gonna put it into the oven. Alright, we're gonna cook this down until another an hour and a half or so, until the chicken completely well cooked. Okay, so we're gonna add in our carrots here on the side. And you want to add this in 20 minutes before the chicken is completely ready. Using a baster, we are going to moist our chicken occasionally, so you can just pour the liquid on top of the chicken and just keep it moist. Here we're going to pour in the remaining liquid in there. And I'm just going to right before we serve, we're just gonna garnish with our orange here. Alright, so we're gonna carefully place it around the chicken. And I have 1 orange cut into quarter and slice it. So then, and that's good. And we're gonna put it in 5 more minutes, and then it's ready. Alright, so it's time to take out our chicken here. Okay, it has a nice aroma to it. Smells the orange. I hope you can incorporate this roasted chicken with orange and cumin seed carrots into your Thanksgiving menu for your more intimate celebration of your Thanksgiving. And if you think this is a good alternative for your solution this year, please give me a thumbs up below and hit the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed to our food travel shopping channel, I encourage you to subscribe and hit the bell notification for our latest video and update. And for the next video in this series, I will be doing the mashed butternut squash with cranberry. So I hope you and your family have a happy and enjoyable Thanksgiving. Stay tuned for the next video and thanks for watching.